So, this game on Roblox called Animal Hospital been going viral, and I wanted to try it out to see if it deserves the attention it has. So let's first go. Oh my god, what is that in the window? Let's go in the game. Okay. Start now. Workers, the hospital until you find what's really happening. Work at the hospital until you find what's really. Okay. So then I have a new button. Take photo. That's all. In fact, doctor saying blah blah. Wait, being a doctor is this easy? Okay, I should be a doctor. Yeah. Wait, so I have to go. Wait a second, patience. Okay. Take DNA. Ouch. Fuck. I mean, cut that out. I said a bad word that I wasn't supposed to. My bad. I didn't trust my yellow balls. Okay. Jeez, wait. Wait. Maximum shift. What is he gonna do? Good, cause you look like a creature. I heard that these ones are harder to do. You know? Yo, where you going? Where you at? Guys, if you see water dripping like this, do not look up. You see, I'm gonna get something. Just look at the edge. You see that? You see that? No, no, no. Do not look up. Don't look up, I know. Oh, I see what you're trying to do, but when it says don't look up, like, what could you do? You're just gonna have to look up. You're like, but I wanna see what's up there. Guys, there's a storm happening right now. So guys, please stay safe and sheltered. Make sure you stay equipped. Watch this. So bruh. What's up? Why do you need coffee? I love my job. I get to mingle. I'm gonna be waiting for you. Don't be late. Yes, go cut in. Wow, so much fun. Let's look up. Take DNA. You know, that's wrap for the animal hospital. So hope you liked the video.